Hey guys, this is RCKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are recording a 360 video of Pandora. This is the latest attraction in Disney World's Animal Kingdom. So just kind of showing you, this is a 360 video, meaning you can actually click around, and if you have a phone, you can move your phone, so really cool. Look at this big rock over here. You have this mech over here. Really cool. We just ate at this cafe. It's amazing. I recommend you go there. The Satuli Canteen. And let me walk over here. The lines are insane over here. These lines are very, very long. If you're using your Fast Pass, I think on the app you can only do 3 pre-Fast Passes. You want to definitely use them on here because these are the long ones. They have to split up the line, it's so long. I think one of these is at 100 minutes and the other one's like at 200. Everyone wants to go on these rides. So you can look up right now and kind of see just how crazy this looks. It is ridiculous, and the detail is amazing too. You can just see how beautiful that is, and it's freaking awesome. The waters, the big waterfall over here, but this is just so massive. It's awesome. I can't wait to see what it looks like at night. By the way, that's when I want to go on the river. There's a river ride over there, and there's like a 3D avatar ride on the other side. I can't wait to go on the river one at night. Hopefully I'll go because the line is ridiculously long. You can kind of see over here again. It looks like there's a stage performance going on right now with the drums. Really fun. Can't wait to see how this video looks from your guys' side, because it's really crazy seeing everything on my side. Alright guys, thank you again as always for watching. This has been RCKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.